Welcome to this tutorial on how to hide all LinkedIn members' profile photos on your PC. With a recent update, LinkedIn has made it easier for users to manage their privacy settings, including the visibility of profile photos. If you're looking to enhance your privacy by hiding these images, follow these simple steps. First, open your web browser and navigate to the LinkedIn website. Log in using your credentials to access your account. Once you're logged in, look towards the top right corner of the page. You will see the Me icon, which is represented by a small image of your profile picture, or an outline if you haven't uploaded one yet. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu. In the drop-down menu, find and click on Settings and Privacy. This will take you to a new page where you can adjust various settings related to your account. Now focus on the left-hand side of the screen where you will see several categories listed. Click on Account Preferences to proceed. Once you are in the Account Preferences section, look for General Preferences. Here you'll find an option labeled Show Profile Photos. Click on this option to view your current settings. You will see several choices regarding who can see profile photos on LinkedIn. To hide all members' profile photos, select No One. After making this selection, there's no need to save. LinkedIn automatically updates your preferences as soon as you make a change. This means that from now on, you won't see any profile photos of other LinkedIn members while browsing through the platform. By following these straightforward steps, you've successfully hidden all LinkedIn members' profile photos on your PC. This feature is particularly useful for those who prefer a more private browsing experience or who want to minimize distractions while networking online. Thank you for joining this tutorial. If you found it helpful, consider sharing it with others who might benefit from enhancing their LinkedIn privacy settings.